Folks, what's going on? This is Eric here. So we got our Traverse here that we just got done doing all of our repairs on. Let's go inside the garage. I'm going to show you everything that we worked on. As many of y'all know, this is a DIY auto mechanics channel. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to show you how much money you can actually save by doing it yourself, the amount of time it takes, and what a shop would charge you to do this. Now, I'm not here to rag on shops. That's not what we're here to do. Good shops exist for a reason, and thank God for those people. This is merely to educate you on the amount of money that you can actually save by doing your own auto repairs. So as many of you know, we just did a ton of repairs on that Chevy Traverse in the series Bulletproofing Your GM 3.6 liter. So I'm going to show you this pile of parts that I got here, and a little bit later we'll go into the spreadsheet on the computer and I'll show you what that broke down into versus what I paid and what a shop would have charged you. Now, we have just basic repairs here, and while doing some of these repairs, the biggest thing is the water pump right here. This repair alone costed about $2,000 from a shop. We saved ourselves a significant amount of money by doing it ourselves. We did have a few casualties while working on it. That motor mount there basically gave way during the water pump video. I replaced the thermostat. I did not show y'all that. And we did have a purge valve solenoid that we replaced and broke it during installation of that thermostat. But folks, this is basic repairs. This is nothing crazy. I'm also happy to report that the hesitation at idle is now gone, what we thought might have been the timing chain stretch. And also the oil consumption that was probably coming from the PCV valve is down too. We haven't seen it burn any more oil. We'll keep an eye on it. Sometimes those things take some time to show that they are burning oil, but so far so good. So let's go check out the repair cost and show you what all went into that. I created this spreadsheet to show you the breakdown of the DIY costs that I paid for parts, which obviously doesn't include hourly charges. All in all, this would have taken a shop close to 20 hours. And the average labor rate here in Colorado is about $155 an hour. Now, I'm going to just go quickly through what all we worked on. Some of this I showed in the video, some I didn't, but just did a front brake job on the rotors and pads, replaced the rear brake pads, did the water pump, thermostat, both the upper and lower radiator hose, the ignition coils and spark plugs, air filter, radiator cap. We broke the motor mount along with the purge valve, and the air intake hose was not very good. It needed another clamp, and it basically ruined the old one, so we replaced that. Did an oil change, PCV valve, cabin air filter, and then here's our chemicals, our 6 quarts of oil, the coolant, brake cleaner, shop supplies, differential fluid, and transfer case fluid. I'm not going to go into all where I got these parts and chemicals at. I will be posting a video in the future showing. Hey friend, we'll get back to the episode in just a minute. Real quick, if you like this, please share it with your friends. Let's get the word out about deceptive, bad maintenance practices recommended by the manufacturer. With that in mind, I created this free guide. If you head over to my website, www.fixyourcar.net, click on that orange button to download the free guide. It will show you the recommended maintenance intervals for all your vehicle's components, so you won't be led astray and led to believe that you can go longer and trash your vehicle before it's ready to go to the junkyard. Okay, now back to the episode. Where I get that stuff, so stay tuned. That's going to save you a ton of money. And then I basically got these two quotes that you can pull yourself from the internet. One is from somebody you could probably get in your local area. It's called Your Mechanic. And this is basically the cost breakdown of what they would have charged to do all these services on your vehicle. Now, I will say that some of these things, possibly they could give you a discount on that. Maybe they could throw in a free oil change and all this other stuff if they're doing all this work. A lot of shops will do that, so maybe this price could be a couple $100 lower. But the thing I was surprised about is that the other quote that I got, which was from Repair Pal, was within $40 of this quote. So this is not BS. This is actually what all this stuff would have costed. $5,386 from Your Mechanic, and Repair Pal, which gives you an estimate based upon your geographical area. I will say Colorado, we have a very high labor rate. I think we're second or third in the nation as far as like labor rate. 155.4 an hour in labor. So that's why this repair bill skyrockets very fast, is because uh, 20 hours of labor, what all this would have costed at $155 an hour. This plus parts, which they're not only making money off of labor, but remember, they are upcharging you for the parts they give you too. Keep in mind, some of that parts cost, it does include a warranty. So if there's anything wrong with the part, you basically get another one at uh, for free installed if it goes out during the warranty period. But let me go back to the DIY tab here. $761.04 is what we spent on all this. Uh, Parts, chemicals, taxes included. 761.04 versus uh, let's just say $5,500 for, ease sake. Now, I want to ask you, is it really worth it to learn how to work on your car? None of this stuff is rocket science. It's something you can all do, and I could teach the average grandma how to do. So, this is why Fix Your Car exists. This is to show you the power of being knowledgeable with cars and just knowing simple little maintenance practices. And this is why I created this channel. I wanted to show you this. I'm not going to beat the horse on this. This is just meant to be a quick little video. Please do stay tuned in the future. We're going to have videos showing you where to get these parts from, which are good quality OEM style parts. Not all of them are OEM. Some of them I go aftermarket. As I've said before, I don't think GM always makes the best products. Uh, but where can you get these parts? Where can you get these chemicals at the best price and you get the most quality as well? Because this is another thing. Some of these shops are using subpar parts. In the end, they'll pay for that. But this is meant to show you that what you're going to spend on their parts and labor might not be as good as something you could do on your own. Also, stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you a video on where to get free repair manual information. This is a little known secret that a lot of people don't know about. And this is what I use to work on this car and many of my other vehicles that I work on. So until next time, God bless. Please like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe to me, please like and subscribe to my Lord, my Savior, my friend, Jesus Christ. He'll never let you down. I might let you down. He never will. Until then, make it a great day. Take care.